Okay, bowling didn't work, but I trust you. This one will work, Hakito. All right, okay, let's go. Just like the animes, Hakito. Just like the haikus. Don't fly! Hakito, help me understand. I've been trying to literally train you to do something. And now suddenly you just developed new freaking powers? What you gonna do, explode in front of me now? I might not be the most responsible dad ever, but I saw this in a TV show once. So you grab these little piggies right here, right? And you kind of do something like this. I don't know about it, but you should know about it since apparently you can like control fire now. What's wrong? Are you... Oh yeah, you don't have fingers. All right. Oh, Hakito, I am so proud of you. You learned the secret technique. The rainbow big, Hakito. It makes me so happy. You were finally able to control all your powers, and you were not gonna blow up at me, right? God. Everything hurts, but do we win? You